Hello guys, so we're here at Yap San Diego Ancestral House. Yeah, it's open at 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. So tara, visit. Ooh. Okay lang mag-bed yun, no? Wow. Ano sa madara? Ha? Oh, hi sir.
Good afternoon. So welcome to Yap San Diego Ancestral House. So anyway, this was built nga pala noong 1675. Then so you could start here upstairs. Then you could go to the bed as well.
Thank you, sir. Guys, tour mo here sa Ancestral. Oh my God, ba't ang dami galaan dito? Gaganda din. Ancestral House of Mary Joy Zulueta. Eh! Charit! Grabe. Yung mga model namin doon. Tara, libutin natin itong mga sexy. Kana sila. They are the owner, as you heard. Ay, CR naman. CR naman din eh. Oh my God. Okay lang. Salad. Thank you. Wow. Gaganda guys. Please. Cebu. Grabe naman. Kaya pa ba? Ganda, grabe. Akyat tayo sa taas, guys. Aakyat tayo. Itutour ko kayo sa taas. Dito muna sa labas. Ang daming magagandang tao. Sus, tumawag pa ba, oy? Sana, oy. Similar. And the police. So, let's go.
Alright, so we'll get into their functional. Yeah, because sometimes I sleep there without anything. Alright, so here is a resemblance of a trademark, something like that, or you could actually say it's a Philippine and hanging on the side of the house. So this is what we call locally an area of so this is probably
Oh my God. Guys, welcome to my room. Charit. Charit lang. Basig multon. Tapos tagiyan. Oh, magic. Perfect. This is Ancestral House. Oldest house here in Cebu. Their fortress.
they do that like this.
You'll have more of that issue. That's the good. That's right. You're going for maybe one mountain of the issue. You're gonna experience. It's not chocolate bean.
Tara, baba. Baba tayo at itutour ko kayo sa baba.